Simple roasted salted almonds recipe. Almonds are already a nutrient-packed snack, rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamins like vitamin E and magnesium. Roasting and lightly salting them elevates their flavor and crunch, making them the ultimate snack. They're versatile too, perfect for everything from charcuterie boards to an afternoon pick-me-up. Plus, when made at home, you can control the saltiness and ensure no unnecessary additives or preservatives. Ingredients you'll need. Here's what makes this recipe so wonderfully simple. 450 milliliters water, 100 g salt, 225 g almonds. These three ingredients come together to create magic, proving that sometimes less really is more. Step-by-step instructions. Crafting the perfect almonds. 1. Prepare the saltwater brine. Start by combining the water and salt in a small pan. Heat the mixture over medium heat and stir until the salt completely dissolves. This brine is key to evenly distributing the salt onto the almonds, ensuring every bite is perfectly seasoned. 2. Infuse the almonds. Once the salt is dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and add the almonds. Let them soak for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your preferred level of saltiness. Pro tip: if you're making this recipe for the first time, soak the almonds for around 20 minutes. This gives them a delightful saltiness without being overwhelming. Adjust the soaking time based on your taste in future batches. 3. Preheat your oven. While the almonds soak, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and ensure easy cleanup. 4. Drain and arrange. After the almonds have soaked, drain them thoroughly and spread them in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. This step is crucial for even roasting. 5. Roast to perfection. Place the baking sheet in the middle of the oven and roast the almonds for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. They're ready when they turn a light brown color in the center.